read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi's here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected teachers, how are you? I hope you all are fine and doing well. Today, we will teach uppercase and lowercase letter N. Expected learning outcomes are the student is expected. Identify the uppercase and lowercase letter N. Learn the words start with the sound N. Learn the formation of the letter N, capital N and small n. First of all, make some flashcards of different objects like nest, newspaper, nurse, notebook, needle, nail. Okay, visualize them to the student. Ask different question. What does a nurse do? Who reads the newspaper? Okay. Whose notebook is tidy and clean? After asking different questions, now we will teach how to write it. Uppercase and lowercase letter N. Start from the first line, come straight down, make slant line, make another straight line. It will make capital N. Start from second line, come straight down, jump, turn the loop. It will make small n, capital N, small n, and the sound of N is N. Press your nose, all of you. N. You will teach like that. N, nail, N, needle, N, newspaper, N, nest, N, nurse, N, notebook, neatness. Keep your desk tidy and clean. Keep your clothes tidy and clean. Keep your all the things tidy and clean. Okay, it's time. Fun time. Story time. Let's start to listen the story. Nurse Neha wrote in her notebook. She read the newspaper daily in the garden. One day, she saw a nest in the tree. There were 3 eggs in the nest. I hope so. You learn this method very well and you will teach in the class to the students same like this. Okay? Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.